Whistler opening weekend. Beautiful groomers out today. The top isn't going to be open though, so that's only the bad part, but not enough snow yet for the seventh heaven up there, so just sticking to run out some corduroy till we get done with that, and then head back down to the village. Got 1 inch last night, so not too much. I think we had 16 inches before that of coverage in the past 24 hours. Great pre-Thanksgiving start to the year up here, so just go hit some corduroy, then head down for a nice pint or something. It'll be nice. We had some sun peeking out. Got a little bit on the edge that you can see out in those far mountains. We're not going to have any snow. Might as well have some sunshine.
I don't gotta be what you wanted me to be. I just gotta be living life wild and free. I don't really care if y'all don't like me. Take a seat. Join all the others who hate me. My former lovers, they'd agree. I'm not America's sweetheart. I'll tear the fairy tale apart. Sometimes I'm sketchy, most times I'm loud. I'm always petty and too proud. I'll light your world on fire. Give me a reason, player. I don't gotta be what you wanted me to be. I just gotta be living life wild and free. I don't really care if y'all don't like me. Take a seat, oh. I don't gotta see what you wanted me to see. Got my own perspective and it's working well for me. I don't really care if y'all disagree. Take a seat.
Oh no! There it goes! There it goes again!
Look at that I feel.
I can't! What? I can't!
What are you doing?
What in the... All right, Tim. Woo!
Yeah?
That was epic. Dude, I watched you do it. Dude, you were cleaning your seat.
I was cleaning the
And
seat.
then you hit the hill.
I hit the hill. I went down. There was like 4 inches of snow on the seat. I don't want to pull that.
You know? Nice little view right there. A little bit of sun peak.
No, that was some jack. Dude, I hit a big old boulder. That's fucking
that's it for the first day of skiing of the year. Now we're just gonna head down to the village. We gotta download from the gondola because there's not enough snow. So head down to the village and take a shower, go grab a bite to eat and maybe a nice quiet pint.